You want to know how hard it is to write a song? Somebody like plays a song for like forever. They sit there and write it. They take like 10 million things and they cut it, edit it, put it back together, and try to do it again. It usually takes months, weeks, days, hours, years to put something together. So I just like slam some stuff together. So I'm gonna sit here and show you what it's like to sit here and like want to put it out, but you can't. Uh, but you think it's really good stuff, and you just want to play it, and you also want to say some of the words. So let's give it a try. Okay, here we go. Pacify the waters with sea, to the islands we believe. Through the setting sun raises a question: when we are done, skip a beat, skip a beat. From the night our hearts can't leave and ask a question. Skip a beat, skip a beat. And even then I screwed up a lot of what I'm working on here. It'd probably take me a whole year to that's just like jam, not even